Fidget trading, part 3. We'll be trading this puzzle ball, Falling Waters Aaron's thinking putty, and this fidget cube. Going once, going twice, going me. What do you have to offer? Offer this pink and blue infinity cube, mini purple needle, this Orby rainbow stress ball, this marble and mesh. Just to be nice, I will trade a tingle and a homemade monkey noodle. Oh, that's a really good trade. Yeah, sure, I accept. Ooh. Oh, these are so cool. Oh, I love these. I've been wanting an infinity cube for such a long time. And a tingle. She was really nice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for part 4.